take the piece Steph because she's got something in her hand. And it's all rubbery. She won't.
Come on, let's go. Get her. Make her walk to you. How do I zoom out?
Luna. Luna. Come. Come.
Here you go.
Come here, Luna. Luna. Come here.
See?
Yay!
Give her something and it'll actually help. I've had 5 kids. I know. Right, Mama? Give it to me. Can I have it? Can I have it? Huh?
Just sitting lazy now.
All right, give it to me.
It's like, how much
It's
running
here,
you?
which is in between here. Like that. Hmm?
Come here.
Coffee?
Come.
That coffee? Wait a minute. You gotta balance. You are not balanced.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, who did it? Whose fault that? Who do we blame? Yay!
Yay! Give it to me. It's easier that way. Come on, give it. Don't
Nobody catched you, Mama. She was expecting to be caught.
We're not gonna hurt you. Do you understand?
Come on, Mama.
Mama.
Let's go.